pieces that when you get them, there's like a little column that you set it on to attach the down rod and attach the switch housing to. Because you have to actually attach the switch housing. And wow, it's taken a long time to stop. I thought it would take a little bit. This is the first time actually doing full demonstration of it. All brackets that we're hanging in my basement are either too large or too small. And so yeah, thanks for watching.